welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you the dynamic CC and BCC recipients, how to add these recipients in Titan Sign from Salesforce. So I've got a simple document here that's creating name, number, contact and email. And basically we're just signing it and pushing it to Salesforce. But all of that isn't that relevant right now. What's relevant is where it's configured. It's configured on the object contact, and here in the edit, these are my conditions. Contact ID equals record ID, map field is set. Now, what I want to introduce is, obviously, you would set up your first name, last name, and email to which this, contact, this document's going to go out to. So if I click on the button and I click on this sign option here, it's going to go to this email address, titan@formtitan.com. But let's say a use case where they don't have access to titan@formtitan.com in case they have a secondary email or even a third email. Or you may just want to CC someone in or BCC someone in dynamically from Salesforce. How do you do that? Well, it's simple. Now in the configuration, you've got something called contact.cc and contact.bcc, and it will append per object. Now, what I can do is I've created two fields here in Salesforce. One's called dynamic CC, dynamic BCC. All I've got to do is go in here and just choose them like this. All right, apply and finish and save. And now look what happens. So if I go back in here, click on the button, click sign. First, it's going to go out to titan@formtitan.com. So let it process the request, and it should appear in here. So this is titan@formtitan.com inbox. And then the second inbox I've got open is, so here's my first one, okay? And as you can see in the CC, this email is there. And if I go to this email address, which is over here, you can see here it's come in, all right? And here you can see titan@formtitan.com CC'd in, and then CC'd in is myself. And you do the same thing literally for BCC as well. So if you put the email in there, and then within the configuration, you go ahead and edit, and in the map field, you can just change the BCC, or you can even put a custom value in there, a static value, which can be something like this, test@titan.com. It really is up to you. You can do comma, you can do all of that. But this is how you do it. This is how the dynamic and CC and BCC recipients in Titan sign.